My name is Bliss Singhal. I go to the University of Pennsylvania and I'm currently majoring in computer science. I joined the one-on-one program around 2 years ago, and the project that I worked on was essentially using machine learning algorithms, including uh, independent component analysis and deep learning to predict seizures in pediatric patients suffering from intractable epilepsy. And sort of the motivation behind this project and why I chose it was due to my grandfather who suffered from intractable epilepsy, and this made it so that he couldn't really go outside because he was so worried about the fact that he may get a seizure and that there wouldn't be anyone to help him. And so that really motivated me to figure out ways that people can actually accurately predict when they're going to have seizures, and therefore they can be more prepared and they can feel more comfortable going about their day-to-day activities. What was most valuable was getting that weekly accountability of like tasks that I had to do every week, and be able to get that accountability and motivation to continue on my project, and also being able to discuss any roadblocks that I had and get advice on what I can do to overcome them. So I did compete in a couple of different science fairs, and I was able to get my project published in IEEE CETA. And so the publication process looked like first formatting my research paper in a very specific and intentional way, like they wanted me to, and also submitting a 10-minute video presentation of my project for both for ISF, the International Science and Engineering Fair. The process of being selected as a finalist for that looked like preparing a 10-minute presentation, a slide deck, a research poster, and a research paper for that. And I also was a Regeneron STS scholar, and the process of that looked like submitting an application that asked me many questions about my project, such as you asked before, why I chose it, or describing the process of the methodology. And um, it was just that application, and I also had to submit a research paper as well. I think what I enjoyed most about attending science fairs was definitely getting that opportunity to share my project, and the opportunity to um, really talk about people suffering from intractable epilepsy and making that a bit more known, and bringing more awareness about that, about the struggles that they go through. I really appreciated that opportunity. I also really enjoyed talking to like-minded students at the science fairs who were also interested in machine learning and healthcare, and that was also something that I really enjoyed. So I'm a computer science major. I still have a huge passion for AI. I'm currently I'm pursuing research opportunities over the summer as well. And I'm also part of a consulting club where I consult for AI companies as well.